Alright guys, welcome back. We're talking about the Mirage camera with Daydream from Lenovo, and I got it from a very good seller who was kind enough to give me this product. Well, not give to me, but sell it to me at a reasonable price. It's very cool that it comes with all the good stuff, such as the Lenovo charger and cable with the QR code here, and the camera itself is much smaller than I expected. Very interesting looking machine. It looks like it comes with 2 batteries in here, which is very good. Not many cameras or things come with 2 batteries, and some kind of, I think it may be a storage thing there, and the instructions. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cool.